A pink planet medallion. Oh my goodness, it's a Shapalat! Stay away from you, Muck! Get out of here! I need to contact Minnie and Manny. Oh, I wonder which one is the contact button. You, Muck, I can understand you. All right, I'm gonna do something about it right away. Hello there, Neşe. I need your help immediately.
Shapalat!
What am I supposed to do now?
Press the pink button on the medallion. To use the special technology, you need to transform.
Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Look, I'm flying.
Shrink the Shapalat with the virus control button, right there on your watch.
Then don't forget to lock it in a glass bowl.
All right, I am warning you, Shapalat. Either you leave our planet now once and for all, or I have to lock you in a bowl you'll never get out of. Well, that's your call then. Ah! Oh! My hair is ruined! I don't have to tell you I don't like my hair ruined! I got you now, Shapalat!
Oh! Neşe?
Mutlu, I need to go grab a little jar from the kitchen! Hurry up, Mutlu! You should know I never give up!
Okay, sis, I got the jar!
You should lock the Shapalat with the bowl immediately! You don't need to be scared, just hurry up!
Got it! I did it! Ha ha ha! Oh.
Thank you, my bosom little buddy.
So then, I locked the Shapalat inside of the bowl. You should have seen me in action. I was like some kind of hero. Oh.
Yeah, a clumsy hero.
Huh, not as clumsy as you.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.